Hey folks, Mr. Mitchell here. In this video we're going to go over question 1 from the 2016 SQA National 5 Physics exam paper, so let's get started. Question 1 says electrical storms occur throughout the world. During one lightning strike, 24 coulombs of charge is transferred to the ground in 0.0012 seconds. Part A says calculate the average current during the lightning strike, and there's 3 marks available here. While writing down what we know from the question, we're trying to calculate the current I. We know the charge Q is 24 coulombs and the time T is 0.0012 seconds. So writing down our equation relating current, charge and time, we have Q equals IT, substituting in the numbers gives 24 equals I times 0.0012, and then to get I on its own we can divide both sides by 0.0012, and if you put that into your calculator you should get an answer of I equals 20,000 amps. Part B says the charge on an electron is minus 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. Determine the number of electrons transferred during the lightning strike, and there's only 1 mark available here. Well, what we need to do here is take the total charge and divide it by the charge on 1 electron, and that's what we were given in the question. So we could write the number of electrons is equal to the total charge divided by the charge on 1 electron, which is equal to the 24 coulombs we were told earlier in the question, divided by 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19. Notice I've only used the magnitude of this charge. I don't really care about the negative sign here. And if you put that into your calculator, you should get an answer of 1.5 times 10 to the 20. And notice how that's a very large number of electrons, a power of 20. Lastly, part C says many tall buildings have a thick strip of metal attached to the side of the building. So there's the thick strip of metal shown there. It says this strip is used to protect the building from damage during electrical storms. Explain how this strip protects the building from damage, and there's 2 marks available here. Well, we can say here that since the metal strip is a conductor, more current will pass through the strip than the building. So here the first mark comes from saying that the metal strip is a conductor, and you get the second mark for saying that more current or electrons will pass through the strip than the building. But just be careful not to say more electricity or more lightning will flow, because that's not really showing your understanding of the physics. Remember, electricity is the flow of electrons, i.e. a current. So we want to say that instead of just electricity. That's all for this video folks. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.